COSORI TurboBlaze making a rattling sound? Here's what to check first. If your COSORI TurboBlaze is rattling, vibrating loudly, or shaking the counter while it runs, it's usually a simple issue with the crisper plate, food placement, or internal fan. Here's how to fix it safely. Step 1. Make sure the crisper plate is fully seated. Lift out the basket and check the tray. If the crisper plate isn't snapped all the way in, it can rattle or bounce during cooking. Reinsert it by tilting one side in first, then pressing the opposite edge down until it clicks into place. Step 2. Check for a warped or overloaded tray. Overloading food, or putting something too heavy on one side, can make the fan work harder and cause vibration. Spread food evenly and avoid packing it too tight. If your plate is warped or damaged, replace it. Step 3. Inspect the bottom feet and surface. Make sure your fryer is sitting flat on a solid surface. If one foot is on a soft mat or uneven edge, it can cause the whole unit to vibrate. Always place the unit on a level, heat-safe surface with nothing soft underneath. Step 4. Listen for fan noise after cooking ends. The internal fan stays on for a few minutes after a cook cycle ends. Light whirring is normal, but if you hear a high-pitched rattle or metal-on-metal sound, the fan may be slightly off balance. If that happens consistently, contact COSORI support. If this helped you quiet the vibration and stop the rattling, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your crisper plate is loose or warped, I've linked the replacement one that fits this model below. It snaps in securely and restores proper airflow. Thanks for watching, and cook quietly.